Are you looking for the best ultrasonic face cleanser in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ultrasonic face cleanser that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Silicone Facial Ultrasonic Face Cleanser. The Silicone Facial Cleansing Ultrasonic Brush features a dual technology function. It comes with the latest sonic vibration technology and a rotating magnetic bead system. With this, it gently cleans and rejuvenates your skin. Besides that, it also features 4 function modes. These are fully adjustable according to your needs. Also, you can modify the vibration intensity. To sum up, freely customize your ultrasonic brush. Moreover, the Silicone Facial Cleansing Ultrasonic Brush is waterproof and rechargeable. Additionally, it details a magnetic base for rapid charging. What's more, an ergonomic and practical silicone-made handle. From that, it is perfect for all skin types. At number 4, NagraCoola Sonic Ultrasonic Face Cleanser. The NagraCoola Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush packs an advanced sonic brush with ultra-hygienic silicone. Also, it removes up to 99% of dirt, oil, and dead skin cells in just 5 minutes. With this, attain a gentle and smooth cleanse upon use. Apart from that, this brush is the solution for complexion refreshing and illumination. What's more, it boasts a reverse, anti-age brush. Hence, get back your younger look and charm back the people. Moving forward, the NagraCoola Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush boosts serum and skincare absorption. This ensures to unlock your skincare product's full potential, thus, saving you the cost and time to buy extra products. Along with that, it delivers radiant results after every cleanse. It is quick, effortless and completely efficient. At number 3, UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum and Ultrasonic Face Cleanser. This pore vacuum is the solution to a rough textured face. The UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum is a 3-in-1 facial cleaner. With this, it has a rotating brush, a blackhead vacuum remover, and a triple skin care system. Thus, get a perfect skin with just a few minutes a day. In addition, the vacuum remover has 3 suction levels and 4 suction probes. From this, it is effective for deep cleansing of blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin, grease, and makeup residue. Moving forward, the UMICKOO Blackhead Remover Pore Vacuum packs an advanced technology. It has 3 cleansing levels and 5 brush heads, hence, delivering superior cleansing on hard-to-remove residues. At number 2, NuFACE Anniversary Complete Facial Toning Kit. This award-winning NuFACE Anniversary Complete Facial Toning Kit has 3 powerful treatments. It can tone, lift, and contour facial muscles in just 5 minutes. Also, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Thus, everything you need in one kit. Besides that, it is FDA cleared and esthetician approved. From this, steer away from your doubts and worries. Moreover, it includes NuFACE's Hydrating Leave-On Gel Activator. With that, it ensures the microcurrent down to the deepest facial muscles. Apart from that, it has a full face wrinkle treatment. At number 1, Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula. The Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula has 28K high-frequency ultrasonic vibrations. This is the peak frequency value ever in the market. As a result, it brings the most effective deep facial cleansing. Apart from that, it features a blue light technology. It penetrates the pores and activates chemicals inside. From this, it causes stabilization of skin oil levels of the face. Hence, a solution to people experiencing oily faces. In addition, the Qukot Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber Spatula is effective for removing dead skin cells, sebum, blackheads, comedones, and other grime. Furthermore, it helps improve skin texture and tone, often leading to a smoother, brighter skin overall. Not to mention, it supports infusion mode too. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.